Alright, so you're going to take some warm water. Yep, that's fine. And go around the rim like this, okay? The whole entire thing of the rim. So this is just warm water. Go like that. So no, dip your finger in the water. And then go around. Alright, so you're good? We're good there. So we have that going, right? The next thing we're going to do...
Make sure you have gloves on if you want to touch it.
We have some really soapy water. Now make sure your hands don't go in there because dry ice is really, really cold. It can actually burn you. Alright, so now we have some soapy water and a washcloth, and we're going to just drag it across. We don't touch. What's going to happen?
Look guys, you might see this is the biggest bubble ever. If you want to pop it, you need gloves.
Don't pop.
It's going to pop its own?
I don't know, look. What's going to happen? You tell me.
It's going to pop.
Uh-oh. Is it jiggling?
Yeah, it's going to pop.
Are you scared?
Yeah, it's going to pop.
It's...
Oh!
Oh!
It's scary.
You want to do it again?
Yeah.